Hi guys, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. So let's start to one more video. Everyone wants to have an enjoyable sex life, but unfortunately, women go through a lot of changes in their lifetime, which can make it hard to keep their libido alive. Many women experience these issues at some point in their life. Thankfully, a product like Vigorelle can help. Rather than shopping at local drugstores or an adult shop, you should go straight to the source with the official Vigorelle website that I'll leave in the description below. Vigorelle is a topical cream that is designed to help women increase their libido and experience more pleasure during sex. Vigorelle contains a variety of ingredients that are meant to stimulate blood flow and create a more intense sensation. Vaginal dryness is a problem for many women, especially at menopause. Vigorelle instantly glides on a silky texture, then creates a cool tingling sensation that speeds arousal and encourages your body's natural lubrication. It intensifies every touch and helps bring you to explosive orgasms like you've never had before. Vigorelle works immediately. It's gentle and natural. It's packed full of exciting ingredients without all the harsh chemicals. The Vigorelle formulation provides an array of pleasure that can help enhance climax and reduce dryness. It's all natural, hypoallergenic, and water-based. To get the desired effects, some ingredients of Vigorelle are: L-Arginine HCI It is an amino acid that works to increase microcirculation by opening up blood vessels at the site of the application. Gingko Biloba It increases moisture retention in the upper layers of the skin and soothes irritation. A natural antibiotic and cleanser rich in bioflavonoids. Damiana Leaf It's the most amazing use of this herb from the subtropics is for individuals with chronic loss of sexual power. But how to apply Vigorelle? Apply a small amount to the mucous membrane, beneath the clitoris, and thoroughly rub it in to help absorption. The clitoral hood is partially keratinized and absorbs less of the beneficial ingredients than the non-keratinized underside of the clitoris. You will notice the silky smooth consistency of Vigorelle that mimics a woman's natural lubrication. Vigorelle is safe for most women to use. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should not use the cream. If you have any other medical conditions, you should consult your doctor before using Vigorelle. Each package of Vigorelle provides users with a discount, but the percentage of the discount entirely depends on how many bottles are included. The more you order, the more discount you will get. Save up to $229.45 if you order today. Don't be afraid to test and feel fulfilled sexually again. Try Vigorelle for 60 days, 2 bottles, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, simply return the 2 empty boxes within 67 days from the time of delivery for a full refund excluding shipping charges. If you wish to take advantage of the price discount by ordering multiple boxes, don't worry. Any unopened boxes returned along with your first 2 opened boxes within the 67-day guarantee period will also be eligible for a full refund. You can order securely online, or if you prefer, you can order by mail. They will ship in completely discreet packaging, with nothing on the outside to identify the contents. Thank you for watching another video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up in this video. Have a wonderful day.